Okay, today we're putting a piece of wood on the tan piece on the white piece, and we're tracing it. Then we're gonna use a drill to drill some holes in it. What we're making is a pedal, brake pedal depressor, and this is very handy if you're alone and you worry about the steep ramp. It's going to hold your truck for you, and all you have to do is get a piece of wood. It can be round, it can be square. Here we're using scrap pieces of wood, and you drill holes in it, and the holes don't need to be perfect, okay? This is how it works. If you notice, the tan piece will go in and holds the brake, and the white piece holds the tan piece together. Uh, Now, this tan piece can rise, therefore the tan piece needs to be longer. The white piece needs to be not touching the floor, but halfway close to the floor. Uh, and so we're going to go ahead and modify this, and here I am testing it, putting it in reverse to see if this system will work. And I noticed the white piece was not as long, so I made the white piece longer. Again, it can be a round piece of wood, it can be a this type. I would use wood and not PVC because PVC is super slippery. You may have problem. I thought about using PVC, but I went ahead with wood because wood has a little bit of friction. These pieces are held together by friction. So here we are gonna make the piece a little bit longer. It should not. The white piece does not need to touch the floor, but almost touching the floor. When you use the device, the tan piece will come up and hit the steering. So the tan piece needs to be longer than this, longer and past the steering. Okay, about a foot past the steering. Your vehicle may be different, so the sizes that you will cut will be different. But I use this device on two different vehicles. Here we are testing it. We got 500 RPM. We are in reverse, and eventually I'm going to release the brakes. And here we are in reverse and drive, and the vehicle is not moving. We got 500 RPM, and here's the final. No foot on the brake, and the vehicle is holding, and the test was successful. And hopefully you can use this, because I always get nervous when I go to the ramp, especially in a very steep ramp, and I always wonder if the truck will roll in the water. You see videos all day long, and I'm going to show you the rest of this video, and it will explain itself. And you don't need to be exact on the cuts, so we use scrap pieces of wood, and the cost for me was pretty much zero, just to drill some scrap wood. And let me know if you have any problem, maybe we can solve it. And again, do not use this as the only thing that holds the vehicle. Do not leave it in drive. Make sure you're in park. Talk to you later. And have a great day. Go fishing, go boating, and let me know what you think about this.